Hello, this is Frank Reich, and we're going to begin a series on leadership in which we kind of do these short little messages. And it's a very interesting subject, right? Much has been said, volumes have been written, on leadership, what it is and what it isn't. Well, in my experience, if I had to boil it down to its most simplest form, I would say that leadership is primarily about credibility. It's about being trustworthy. Right after all, a leader's effectiveness is going to be directly proportional to the degree of credibility that they possess. And obviously the key question there is, what is it that makes the person credible? That's what we're going to look at. Now, one caution before we get into this, and that's this, that when we start kind of measuring these things up, it's very easy for us to say it's just one or two things that, in this case, make somebody credible. Hey, they're a good person, or they're excellent at what they do, and then we think that's the total answer. Well, certainly those things are important, but what we're going to do here is we're not going to boil it down to one or two things. We're actually going to take 7 things that go into, I believe, what credibility is all about. There's certainly more than 7. These 7 aren't equally weighted, but they're all important. And what we're going to do with this is we're going to play off the word credibility, the kind of the C word, and we're going to say that these are the 7 C's of leadership. And I think we can have some fun with this. I think it'll be good to reflect on these things because really when you look at it, we want to draw comparisons to leaders we know, leaders we've read about, certainly the ultimate leader in Jesus Christ, and see how it plays out in his life, in other leaders that we know, and in our life as well. I think this will be a very valuable time for us.